Good evening. My name, Joe Beloni. This, not the news. Kevin has been playing around with accounts. What kind of accounts? There are many accounts. For more on this, back to you at the studios.
Do you like Google and YouTube accounts? Well, in this video, Kevin will be talking about how to make them and also steps, which is making them. So basically, I just said that for nothing. Hello people of the internet, and welcome to another video where today I'm going to be showing you how to log in to a computer. So the first thing to do is go up here and press account, and then if you don't have an account already or you forgot your password or whatever, you go down here to create a Google account. Now you must do this. So creating an account, first name, whatever you want it to be. And as for me, it's gonna be Kevin and the last name. I'm just gonna do that. And then you gotta think of a good username. And this one will be yeah, let's just okay. So you got your first name, your last name, username. You gotta think of a good username, and that's what I'm gonna do right now. Let me think. Actually, let me Google it first. So if you don't know, you can Google it. You can Google what are some good usernames for Google. Let's see what you got here. No. No. Let's just okay. So you gotta think of a good password. And this one will be and if you want to look at it, you can press the I button, and there you go. I don't know if this helps anyone, but hopefully it does. I don't know. Or if you want, if you're looking at this video after you've logged in, then good job. This is to see if you did it right, or if I did something wrong that you missed. I don't know. Password. I don't know a good password. See if that works. Does it work? Nope. There you go. Next. Then if you want to do this, you can save here. Phone number is optional. Email address is optional. I think this is optional, I don't know. And if you want, you can put here. Okay, so we got all of this. Phone number is optional. Recovery email address is optional. Month, let's just do this real quick. I don't think that's a year. Okay. And we go next. Okay. Privacy and terms. I don't really like reading through these, but you can. If you didn't, okay. I agree. And this is your Google account. Now if you want to create a YouTube account, you can. You could easily create a Google account. Just gotta press sign in. And then this is YouTube. Welcome to YouTube, everybody. Now you can make videos. Yay! I found a different way to do this. So we are not going with cover 11 because that's taken. Let's go with weird kid 11. Let's just go with weird kid. Okay, create channel. Okay, now YouTube Studios. Now you can see what life is. Yay! And COVID-19 stuff is useless. Okay, I just said that COVID-19, that stuff, the thing that was on the top, it's not useless. I know that. Don't start commenting. I know that. I was just being stupid. Now shush. Shh. But grow your team. Okay. Manage your channel, whatever. Okay. Goodbye. Okay. So you can upload videos, you can do all kinds of things. Playlist you can create. Analytics. You can do that too. Comments. Subtitles. And this is, I think, where you can view videos and view subtitles, or the videos that have subtitles. Monetization. This is, yeah. Audio library. You can listen to music. Okay. Yes. So yeah, that's about it for now for making a YouTube account. Yeah. And Gmail. Come on, Gmail, load. This will take a while. I don't know if it's because my computer is slow, or yeah, I don't know. It's taking forever. And trust me, this is not how Gmail is normally. Gmail is never like this most of the time. And there it is. Gmail. Yay. Finish it up. Yep. Can do this too. And that's how you create a Google and YouTube account. And Gmail automatically does it for you. So hopefully this video was helpful. Hopefully it was interesting. If not, then why am I here? Why are you here watching? Anyways, but yeah, that's about it. Check the description, and if animatronics are chasing after you, run. Step number 1, download Google Chrome. Step number 2, find the button that says sign in. Step number 3, type in all the information. Step number 4, make a name for your YouTube channel. Step number 5, click the button that says create channel. Step number 6, explore YouTube Studios. Now, I know this might be a little time consuming, but it's fine. You will understand. And then step number 7 is not really that special, but I'm gonna say anyways. Step number 7 is Gmail. Then again, it automatically connects to your account that you just created, so it doesn't really matter. Okay, on to the video. Who are we as people?